everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we have the S39 2.4 gigahertz helicopter, remote control helicopter that is. This is only my second helicopter I've had. I had one several years ago, very complicated. Wished I'd started out with something like this. Would have been a lot better. This helicopter is for indoors mainly. I am outside today. I've got about a 3 to 4 mile an hour wind. I'm going to try it with it and see how it does. Got a little wind gust every now and then. So just not sure how it's going to go. Also, I'd like to do a little night flight or evening flight, late evening flight, because it does have LEDs on the front and has a little red LED on the bottom. Okay, let's see what comes in the box with it. Of course, got the little owner's manual. They claim this little helicopter is easy to fly, very simple. It comes with a USB charging cable, screwdriver, rear rotor blade, a spare. Comes with two, not one, but two 3.7 volt, 300 milliamp batteries. Get about 5 minutes of flight time out of each battery. Takes about 90 minutes to charge each battery. Got a fairly simple little remote controller. It's not very heavy. Like I say, it is fairly simple to use. We're going to find out here in just a few. Let's take a little closer look at the helicopter itself. Little Heli. Like I said, it's a nice looking little Heli. We're going to test drive this baby here in just a minute outside and see how it goes. And there's what it looks like. Nice looking. It's a sleek little helicopter. Got the LED right here. You can see the bottom little red light when you're flying it. From what I read, you'll see a little red LED right here. The on and off switch of it is on the very bottom right here. The battery slides right up in here. Take one screw out. The battery will slide right up in this little port here. And it plugs in right here on the side. Like I say, the little Syma S39 remote control helicopter. 3D full function helicopter. So we're going to get it in the air here in just a minute and see how it goes, and then later on this afternoon, close to dark, I'll try flying it again, see what it looks like with the little lights on it. All right, we'll get this thing in the air. All right guys, we're outside here to fly the little Syma S39. See how it does in this 3 to 4 mile an hour wind. First thing I want to do is turn on the remote. Then we're going to turn on the drone. I'm going to bind the two together. And we're up. So we're going to be fighting a little wind today, but it's doing great. Nice looking little electric helicopter. It does not like those gusts, but like I say, I want to prove a point that I could fly this outside. I definitely recommend flying it when there's next to no wind at all blowing. So like I say, it is very lightweight. When a gust comes, it wants to take it away. Inside, no problem at all. Shouldn't have any problem at all flying it inside where you have no wind. Little drone does have high and low speed. flying to the wind. I'm taking away from it. Yeah, coming down. You just point out which direction you want. Gimbal up, and she goes that direction. Call it a tilt and fly, basically. Tilting the front end one direction, raising the rotor end up. Hey guys, we're still flying on the first battery. It's doing real good so far. As soon as you get about 5 minutes flight time, well, I think I've surpassed that. Oh, like I say, you have to be fairly easy on the gimbal there. You're bringing it down for sure. And I think I spoke too soon. I think that is the life of the battery, or the end of that battery anyway. Alright guys, it's a nice looking little Heli S39 3D full function helicopter. There's a shot of the remote control. Turn it off. There's one time turn the remote off. Let's say right before dark I'll bring it back out again. Fly it so we can see the lights on it. See what it looks like. Alright guys, we'll see you in a few. Alright guys, it's about to get dark out here, but I wanted you to see what the S39 looks like. Right here close to dark, the lights on it and all. So you can see what it looks like. Anyway, we're going to turn on the little Heli. Plug it in, plugged in. Turn the power on. Turn on the remote so we can bind the drone. Alright, now the lights stayed on the helicopter. Go up, down, and you're ready to go. Now we can see a little better. A little red light on the bottom, about midways, there it is. Now you can see the red light. Your indicator along with a little LED on the front. Very easy to control. Turn it which direction you're facing you want it to face. Once you get it turned that direction, say back toward me for instance. There we go. And punch forward, move upward to move the direction you want to go. So this little helicopter, very simple to fly, great for beginners. I wished I had started out on this one instead of the one I had several years ago. Very complicated to fly. Started out with this one, working way up, it would have been a lot better. Controls are very responsive on it, as you see. I'm fixing to bring it down and land it because it's getting quite dark out here. And it's down. I'm going to turn the power off to my controller first here. So I accidentally hit a button, cut a finger, and turn the power off on the drone. Okay guys, we're back inside after flying the Syma S39 2.4 gigahertz 3-channel remote control helicopter, better known as Raptor. We did have to fight the wind a little bit out there today. Like I say, this drone is recommended for inside flying. I flew it outside for a reason, and that was to prove that it can be flown outside. You want to make sure you don't have any wind blowing. Like I said, it did get a little tough there a couple of times and tried to fly away. But anyway, it's a good beginner's helicopter. Like I say, it's very stable. I'd recommend it to adults and children alike, 8 years and up. But anyway, guys, there you have it, the Syma S39. If you enjoyed watching the video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Chief Drone.